To research arguments about Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, often abbreviated B06, it's important to approach the topic from various angles. Start by examining the game's development history, including the collaboration between Treyarch and Raven Software, and its connection to the broader Call of Duty franchise. Review gameplay mechanics and innovations introduced in Cold War, such as the new scorestreak system and multiplayer maps. Analyzing community feedback on platforms like Reddit and forums can provide insight into player experiences and criticisms regarding the game's balance, weapon mechanics, and map design. Additionally, researching professional reviews and critiques from established game websites offer a comprehensive look at the game's reception. Consider exploring options on the single-player campaign, especially its historical accuracy and narrative structure, as well as the overall multiplayer experience, which has been a focal point of player debates. For a more data-driven approach, delve into metrics like player-based statistics and sales figures. Engaging with video essays or discussion threads from influential YouTube creators can also shed light on the deeper cultural impact of Cold War, including how it fits within the broader context of the Black Ops series. Combining these sources will give you a well-rounded understanding of the game's argumentation and reception.